experience ama in engin to ti in zone mi ron zo le da le chu work in nai tho don pon work experience thawangai ta ni chu is this huh engin umzia. So basically you studied your entire life up till, let's say, before PhD you completed your masters, and then you go to a job, and then the job says it requires work experience. You just completed your masters, now you're working for it, and it's not giving you that because it needs work experience. So how do you get work experience if you haven't worked? So what is this? So that dilemma is always there, you know? So it's kind of a weird system. And some people, on the other hand, just start up a few businesses without any before education. Let's say they haven't even started any business or anything like that. But still, they get really good jobs. They're financing their families much better than we do. Do you know why? Because all of those times that we spend our time learning all that education, they are actually being in the field and studying for real. Of what, like, of like basically studying things that actually truly matters. Chen khat tam tak chu Paul so pani po pas chu chou mà sẽ hầu sát đâu đâu anh ông về thấu nhỉ nghe thì cho chu education các soi education system các soi sẽ nó rồi mình sẽ mà sẽ in tí thấu thấu chu angai nha government job te kan lâu du khe lâu anh ý cho nên sum đó na anh tin anh lụt lên ngon đòn ta là entrepreneurship te ta khát cho nên in open lai trong entrepreneurship anh tin anh dream lo này ta sẽ education là tụ lạc ngay là homeschool đây rồi tin anh ole class 8 class 9 class 10 giàu tổ ta ole tụ na chọn in anh ý lệ in oi tu na hen ka thu soi kha in oi lo ni chuan dot ka soi emo in ti ni chuan ngei tu ro kum som paret tling to zong kha kum som paret tuna gen z ho kha zona kha zo dang chau enge in lei dan process in hi en tin ngen lei top lo nia eng document nge sign ngai what are the type of documents that you have to sign to buy a house? Tell me, can you tell me that? Or kami ka chu kalau zo lo so all some da ka zo dang cha kun so pare ting to, okay, you're not underage anymore chuan legal thil song chu kum so pare da chuan in effect to en kim legal chu ani chuan in tali min shil theng em hey nang ma native I om na plans thei le thei lo I clear sang them basic human nature ania tuna hen in daw na ron chuak thut ta se kan thi de le in tuna ti mang Korea te chu ni hen tin ngo South Korea ta kan enta ani chu sipai te lo tana ngai ta survival skills an zil chuak ta ni chu tam kum som pre tuna kum som pre ta hianin thil nge kha puitling ina ti thei hi kan ti thai to lo ania kum som pre mi ho kha bank mi zot mi lo in tuna hianin bank account siam dan po thiam lo inomang tu ending education ni thai eng kha kan zil le si lo khonge ka tin zil na kha bo ta fek nu le pa te noi lo zonin eng ma ti kan ti thai lo chu kan generation hi mo a chelo tok to ani chu soi top teng education voice a chuan we are just sophisticated sophisticated looking people who are unsophisticated. You are basically in the most unsophisticated era ever. Kum so pariat kan tlinga enge kha ram noi zan khat om ti vel ta chu soi lo khovel thila shim po in leidang an thiam lawa property management kan shelawa engma kan shelawa investment kan shelo boka enge dang khovel kan shela hrim law basic law kan shela wa entinan mi in death threats milo thon ta saying katiang defamation case ti te physical altercation case basic knowledge law apon he ke ma tak ngian po he du tiang in kani ve thau no enge kha ke ma ni in chan tur pon law basic law kan shela ani chu chuan and then female mai chia hianin modi hianin tuna hianin ala niam ka shelawa scheme anaya nikum masa borvel ka chan ala ta tun kuma hian ka shele to chia lo ta female entrepreneurship hey boy pawimawh chumi da changa chumi za chu ti in entrepreneurship nei turin chumi poisa za chu apeng noi chu ti za chu ti vel te po ala mani in ka shia noi ani mo ka shela noi khat chan wa nga ti por vel in ka shia shi tiang che lawa ma sai chu te po chu enge kha an ron implement to ma sai ke ni jong an che le jong me lo amang chang kai tu te mo bank khawin an mang chang kai an ni chuan an shia implement roll an fan tu ti khan ti ra poisan la lu su pa ke ni jong kai ma kan dong vel hin kan she vel lo ta chuan ti hianin educated kan in ti mo ta thak da mai sin but 16 kan ni lai khan ma ni in bank account le Aadhaar card 16 kan ni lai khan iti chuan 22 oh yeah you're one of the lucky few see tu tak tu na po hanin izona chan ne kai chu kum som pare ka su kum som paru kan ilai chon in tumi chu ka ti thalutuk maset hianing ei to em tu na ka thu soi kha percentage te majority alak ai nei tan chu chon maset nang chon nang ma khai ngai to dai chu you so ange kha but I saw this and that nang ma kha I dang lam nang ma kha exception ni ti kha I inda talau ta ni chu thlo ka khanin oh he generally in adikem adikte rengem ithian zot kwaro ithiante nang mang rual kumsom ni le pani king ve to te atam zok hi iti te ang han zot te chin la Ishamayang, hey, that's all I have to say. Top full of lutuk ma sen, yeah, because I don't shang. So if I generalize something, that means that I'm saying the majority of people. So yes, even though there are some exceptions to some cases, it's the fact. Kung so parukin ilai kanin nang mainitiya. Mase thiam sa ini kal ne lawang shil job ngain kaka school an zir tir lo kati na zo kani thiam yeah we got to look at the society of us that's what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying right now. This society itself that we're living in, it's not about Mizoram, it's not about India, it's about the entire society. The entire world population itself is slowly being dumber and dumber. The things that we read that is not truly applicable. Like most of the things, basic things that we need as a person, as a person within the society. You know, as an adult, we don't get that education from school, which we should. Why is the academy teaching algebra equation to everyone, which many of us are not going to use in our daily life? Why instead of putting that in our head, why can't they just say, okay, I may be stupid, okay, but this is just a question. So instead of that, why don't they teach us how to pay rent? Why don't they teach us how to, you know, how to be a foreign exchange student, how to maybe live in foreign countries, start, or maybe just in generally, how to, you know, own a property, how to buy a house. Those are the basic requirements, right? You need food and shelter. Tell me. So does the school teach us how to buy houses? Does the school teach us how to own properties? No. Does the school teaches us how to protect yourself? More or less, there are curricular activities, which some schools have it, but not every student have the like access to the information of law, like the basic law that can help you, that can save you. You learn that from where? Some freaking TikTok, some Instagram and shit. So why don't we get to know what should we do? What type of charges can we like you know, make for a person who has just give us death threats? You know, there are lots of relationships that are going like abusive and stuff like that. So what to do in those cases? There are in like internet cyberbullying, even those like, so what type of you know, things that you can do that the like government is protecting you to basically be safe from cyberbullying, physical altercation, death threats, even all of those. We don't know. We never get that, you know. So people can so many ways scam us. So we're dumb, man. You can't tell me otherwise. That is all I'm saying. Our generation has taught this. I mean, TS, mate, I don't know. Teaching what will actually benefit us. Yes, true. Inge kan zirti thai di join China inge a tour, a low tour. Tite atangin kan taksa chak lo ta dro doctor poisa kan seng nem lutuk tani. And yunan if physical body in a ammo nutrients te hey science a chuan basic to kan zir thau ni chu ma se practical in kan zir lo shim ta chuan in taksa ina mamo chu mi chun ya adinan iron mamo sugar mamo you have to maintain your cholesterol ti vel chuan gan zir tir thau ma se kan zir tir le chuan lo chu ani chuan in adinan in calcium deficiency yan enge e tu entia enge tu nang la ya hian entinan enge itul o calcium da mase chu enge enti kanin chong kapumpu thalo ringo da ai tinan chumi chu symptom ya doctor ina hey asken lo china timayang direct enge kha chu tianga avati ni silo symptom manga enge nat na shiat mai thei na shiat thei mai ang chi te hi atiang te hi enge e turti te tal da chu inshil ka kanin shil sheve thei ang chu kati ke chuan antinan nurse level hey kashelawal nurse ahin classes am lo chu kashelawa ma se tinanin nurse level information ang tal te chu basic chuanin pumpu chu chumi chu na chumi chu in so turti te tal te chu in sina poisa ta tam tak ta pokon saving chu khatianga te khan she kami hey khatiang ang mai me ta khanin hey enge ka isoi chu ka soi chu ti khan chat thiam karenga sorry ADHD ka ne kat thu soi hi kai min ka thuk khen